church, we started visiting them in their house, conducting Bible study, introducing Christ, kindness, and salvation in His name. And then after 2 or 3 meetings, they started to come in our church. Faith, Hope, and Love Assembly in Bulacan, like the state, which is Bulacan. How big is Bulacan? I think we have 24 towns. Our town, Angat, 14 barrios. We call it barangay or barrios. But we are not that big yet to reach as far as the whole Bulacan. Angat, we are trying to. Some are neighbors, some are people in the community. Well, I don't like to sound that we are in politics, but it's like one of his friend's daughter graduated in BPS, and he was invited. And as mayor of the town in cooperation, we gave him the chance to greet them in, like a short message of greetings. And in his speech or in his message, he said, "Oh, now I know that I want to be born Christian." He said that.
Everybody say amen, 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 amen. Church say amen, 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 amen. Let the people say amen. The church say amen. Cause children say